Welcome everybody to um I'm not exactly sure the name again. Tyke and Sons Lumberco. Nighttime effects, what daytime? First face. Actions menu, start game, let's start the game.
Once upon a time, where life was simple, trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Zeebill's presence, lived Chipper and his son Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin. Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa. So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built. Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike. With this addition to the beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough. But as Mike grew up, one day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their missing beaver member and founder. After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone. The family still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Okay, very interesting start. Well, little Mike, the day has come. No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry hair. That's what my father said when I was young, your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. No one knows where he went. Really weird if you ask me. Anyway, I'll give you full control of a little lumber company, and I want you to be a great successor. You will spend your days building robots and crafting even more things from the lumber you will be gathering. Thus, you'll soon be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I'm a professional. And you can come right after me, if you work hard enough. But remember, no one ever beat good old Cheaper. He truly was the best. Now get lost, this is your time to shine! We'll start as soon as this text box disappears. Alright, start then. Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. That way we can stay in contact even if you are far away. As if that would ever happen. For real, you should explore our little company first before I let you off in the dangerous world. Counting on you, beaver boy. Promise me to make a proud dad, will ya? Anyway, your first task will be to plant some trees right next to the house. There isn't much space, so don't build useless things that we don't need, okay? If you want to really listen to what I just said, press the walkie-talkie button that you will see very soon. Good luck, son. See you later. For now, this is very confusing. Whoa! This is very confusing. Go plant trees, son. Do that. Click on an empty spot while hitting the plant button on the top action. Plant, craft, or plant. Also, plant. So we gotta make lumber to create Chippomat 1.0. I guess. Right. Okay. Oh, alright. That means that grows stencil and some W into water. Alright. So, oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna chop that tree and see if we can make some lumber out of the wood. How do you make lumber? 16 wood. Make lumber, craft. There's nothing on the page that tells me how to get lumber. Oh, well. Got the old saw, please don't leave, 5% of everything. Here to make lumber. Oh my god, I just have to click. Right. I'm guessing I have to. Yeah, I gotta build Super Mario 1.0. Well, I think I'll build it. I'll build it here. Oh my bad. Fail. Wait, how big can I make this should be? Oh, okay. And I can walk on this guy. Yes, that's not the best tree that you can get. Anyways. I need to build another one. Alright. Well, actually, right here. Make it longer. Alright, it seems like a lot of farming. Oh my god. Yeah. Press space when you're in front of the house. Alright. First of all, I got all these. I'm there already. Might as well, right? I'll make lumber. Alright, press space. What a rough day. Do you want to go to bed? No? Alright, so yes. Alright, let me open the cabin for you. Since you're so hardworking now, we can switch place. Take your toys to the room upstairs. I'll take the attic. Good night, son. Good night. Later that night. Oh wow. Move the mouse to the left or right to run to a window. If you see anything here, close the curtain and anything's gone. Okay, and then you just go back. You hit the sand. And go backwards. Okay. Leave assurance. Go to bed when you're able to sleep again. What does that mean? How do I get sleep assurance? There's definitely something I'm not getting. None of the buttons do anything. Wait, was I tripping or was the automat that I built actually what attacked me here? Yeah, it's the supermat that I built. And why did my sleep assurance went up? First by 2 now. What happened? Three. Do I have to stay here? Okay, never mind. Is it when I get rid of them? I think it's when I get rid of them. Yes, it's when I get rid of them. Okay, one more, guys. Alright. So Okay, now what? Do I go to sleep? Press B to go to bed. Alright. Wake up. Alright, so for now it seems the early bird catches the worm. Alright. Alright. Good morning, son. Are you ready for round 2? As I promised you yesterday, you can go explore the island now. I've opened the gates for you. Don't worry, I won't let you off without a very important task, that's for sure. This is as important as me teaching you how to walk on 2 legs. That's pretty unusual for beavers. Your mother runs a coffee shop in a town nearby. I need a mixed giallo to go real quick. Here's a little pro tip. You can find hidden coins if you click on certain objects around you. Oh, and about the trees. Run as many as you can. Water isn't the only thing that makes them grow. No. Patience is the key to success. That's all I wanted to say. And don't forget the mixed shadow. Alright. Is this part still... Okay. Nothing. No coins coming from here. Robotic wire. Mail. Oh. That's what you just served for. That's what you want. Right here. So when I come back, you'll be ready. Wait, did that change? What is this? Oh, V1 stores. Visitors. Paolo is glad to have visitors. Paolo is very lonely. Huh? A beaver? Oh no! Are you here to destroy Paolo's beautiful flowers? Don't lie to me. I know a plant killer when I see one. I'm going to avenge all the trees you have chopped down before. This will be your endgame. What is this? What is this boss fight? Alright. Alright. Go! Let's go, robot guy. Let's go. Oh, you're fun. Oh no! Alright. Spawn here. I'm leaving. Boom! You suck. You're bad. Easy shit. There you go. What you gonna do? Oh, I'm in trouble. Good for you. Alright. Boss fight if I've ever seen one. Go on, go. Ooh. Yeah. Waiting for you here. Just kidding, I'm running. Waiting for you here. Just kidding, I'm running. Okay, this is a very easy fight though. And I think Amranair is gonna fall. Oh, he's dead. Bye bye. Easy. Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Whatever that was. Alright. No more powder, then I guess. New opens next Thursday. Keep out, keep out. Can I click anywhere on you? Pay 200. Get Pearl. Alright. Coconuts. Thank you for the lumbers, guys. Alright, Neutrophobia. Space. Here you go. What are you doing? Hello. I'm eating this loaf of bread. I baked it. Okay, nice. Well, have a fun time doing so. Thanks. You too, with whatever you're doing. Thanks. Oh boy. She totally likes me. All an actor. Retrophobia. Welcome to Retrophobia. Home of the best selling video game. Choose a level and beat it to get a real neat prize. Right. I want the wooden frog. Get 5. Okay, can I do anything? This one. What? That's the best video game you got. 3. 4, and back at the beginning, I'm guessing. Yep. Well done. Thanks. This is a very... Alright. Here's extra reward. Yeah, I got a wooden frog, guys. Alright, level 2. Favorite plane. Okay, take that access. Oh, that's what it's going to be. Alright. So level 1 really was boring. Oh, my God. Go. He's curving his eggs. What is he doing? His eggs are curving in the air. Oh, done. Well done. Congrats, you take your reward. Paper plane. Let's go. Got the wooden frog and a paper plane. Let's get a green pipe this time. Alright. 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 Oh. Have to get really close here. Run! Yeah. I think he's a little faster than me though, isn't he? But with the change of window, I'm faster than him. Yes, he is faster than me, very slightly, but he is. Alright. Be done. Yeah, I got a green pipe, guys. Now on the gold. I know we'll have both, I'm guessing. Yeah. Okay, this might really be hard. Gotta time them right. And like I just did right now. Right. And like I just did again. Alright, this is... Alright. Let me show you the strat, guys. No! He got his egg at the wrong time. Alright. Now I understand what you said, this is the best video game. It's intriguingly hard. I know what to do. Yep, we're done it, guys. Jeez, that was all 4. Let's go! Level 4. That was much more difficult than level 1, 2, and 3. I got a gold. We get the alien this time. Oh. And I exit. Alright. Oh, the coffee. Hello there, Mickey. I've noticed your father's sweet little llama company has been going not so well. Well, not to say our family isn't successful. There are loads of customers throwing themselves in left and right for my delicious coffee and treats. Say, am I feeling extra nice today? Sales have been on so high, let's make a deal for a free coffee to go. To win this minigame, I'll hand you over for free coffee to go. Sounds good? Give it a try. Get 250 points for the time I reach 0. For the people out there who don't know anything about food, snacks, drinks. I mean, that's obvious. The customer on your left on drinks, the customer on your right on snacks, like snacks and drinks. So, drinks and snacks. Pretty easy so far. Ah, it's a bird. Easy. Here you go. Coffee to go. This is my favorite cafe. Alright. Where can I go here? Alright. I was a real beaver once. Just kidding. Can you do me a little favor? I'm slowly melting. Could you bring me a little bit of snow? Bring me about 20 chunks, and I'll reward you, of course. Oh. Alright! Game over. That's not good that way then. Item shop. But I don't want to use these right now since I don't know what I really want to take. Alright. 25 feather and I get... Oh, I got drawing. But I remember you! You're from Baby's Nightmare Circus, aren't you? Our next. Playbird, sniff. I just don't get it. Why does no one want to play my minigame? I spent so much time on creating it. Well, I want to play? What's the minigame? I don't know. I'm probably spending more time than I should right here, but... Alright, birdhouse. Going to birdhouse. Oh, light bulb. Alright. I'm just showing in the sun. I see people losing money here quite often. Might find some of it in the sand. Well, thank you for the numbers. Minigame. Shoot the Chippomats. Get your 100 points so I'll give you something cool. Go. Bird. So my aim was pretty scrappy, but I'm getting a lots of this golden icon, but I don't know what they do actually. Oops. Nothing here, it appears. Any rock? Another drawing. Can I get as many as I can? Alright, 33, pretty good. Alright, let me... Ball. Okay, let's take this guy again. I'm pretty sure that's what the minigame is. This place right where it was. Jump from the cloud. Jump from cloud to cloud and reach your goal in time. Don't fall off. Oh, hold shift. Yeah, we got some what is this? What was this game called again? What was this game called already? Double jump. I don't know where we should hold shift. Yeah, 4 seconds to spare. We're that good, guys, and we got another golden acorn. Right, but I think we did good to let's find this out. Maybe we'll see you again. So much longer. Alright. Alright, let's go back. Yeah, okay, he said, never make customers happy as TOTs. I never tasted one of these. I'd say it was alright. Expected more of you though. But it's not about this insane anymore. You have more work to do. Son, we actually have a customer. A strange bird who loves rocks. He wants you to build a rock farm. This is important for our reputation. For real, if you fail this, I'll ground you forever. I would help, but I'm way too busy complaining over the simple things in life. Like weird tasting coffee. Now go and make me a proud beaver. Wait, is that customer is probably on this side? There's nothing on this side, right? You got money? This has to be a thing, right? Red lumber, let's go. Football. 40% off everything this time. It's not 20% anymore, it's 40%. Yeah. Where's our southern lumber? Amazing. Red lumber, great. 200 for it, huh? Palm branches, alright. Oh, I didn't need to get back here. All I needed was. Alright, I need to build. a good rock and a flower pot. Oh, I got a good rock. Amazing. Ropes. Is it orangey based? Okay guys, I'll be back when I have a flower pot. Okay guys, so I found out where it is. Here. It took me a good 30 minutes to remember that this exists. I've been doing this for way too long of a time. The time is so long that for the funsies, 235 wood, 64 lumber, 4 red lumber, 4 black lumber that I didn't have before, 1 funny fungus, 11 warden fungus, 14 palm branches, 4 feathers, 13 coconuts, 8 spiders, 6 ropes, 4 seaweeds, chain, 6 anchors, 9 mirror, 4 rocks, 1 gold, 11 triplets, 2 light bulbs, this, 2 water bottles, 4 food bowls, 3 overbody wires, and 2 magic cards. Finally we did this. Jesus. Okay, now let's go to the birdhouse, man. Red lumber. Another funny fungus, the second one, the shipboard. I'm gonna be rich. $190. Alright, hello, Sibyl. It's so nice finally talk to you, Mike. Father has always kept you safe in the cabin. I only met you once, back when you were a fetus, maybe a little older than that. I'm sure you will meet many nice people now that you can explore freely. Yeah, your father has always had an obsession with Stacy, thinking the world is dangerous and whatnot. But trust me, funny things happen to him too. Like when I was a young lad traveling the sea, I retired from that years ago. I own a company now called Seabuild Industries. We build robots and ships all over the world. You could say that in some way traveling is still involved. There is one tip from me if you want to start your own company. Don't do or make anything people are not asking for. You will only get in trouble. A few years ago, I designed a special walls all by myself, with the intention of making my closest friends happy. I designed them to reflect their personality and look, but it only got me into trouble. I'm not getting into detail here, don't want to set up a rant. Just pro tip from an artist to future artist. You seem like someone who will take notes of that. You seem more talented than Tyke. I'm glad that I had a chance to meet you today. Hopefully we can work this out into a good friendship. If you don't mind, I actually have a task for you. The beavers like working, right? My grandparents at the beach need a tiny builder to decorate their home. They ask me, but I'm really busy all the time. This is your opportunity to show me how skilled you are. There may even be a bit of multitasking required. Can you help them? That would be really neat of you. Of course, finish your pie first. No one should ever work when they're hungry. Jeez. Now the crabs, please. I will. They will. Let me go at the crabs. Hey, Paul. Thank you. Coconut. Now, what do you guys want? Is the question. Do you want like oh well, I'll plant you. I'll plant you. The coconut. And then build just a bunch of coconuts everywhere. Oh, he wants a cocktail bar. So I gotta go buy the bamboos. The lumber. 201. I think that's 5. I'm missing palm branches because I've built so many. Oh, but no, I don't need to buy them. Actually, while I'm here, I'm just gonna grab the money. Okay, nothing more. I also built this here. I don't know why, it's probably a good idea, but. Thank you. That palm tree looks so good, thank you, no problem. Thank you for the palm tree. Let me erase you. And let me build you a nice little thing like this. Thank you for your help. Thank you. You know, we're gonna have made it without you. If you're still a robot. Yeah, if you want that robot. What was that? Right, you weren't there when it happened, but that's weird. No one told you about it. That's weird. I don't know why I'm doing voices for every single one of them. A few years back, the robots industry was booming. Almost everyone got a machine to perform tasks. Sybil actually found the time to create a few robots all by himself. Interesting. He gave them to some of his closest friends in the friend zone which we were a part of. Our robot was called Summer Crab. She was designed to find treasure, build houses, and act as a companion. It sometimes felt as if she was alive, not like a robot at all. But we got in complaints. Some of us told us that Summer Crab was seen sneaking out and visiting other inhabitants' places. Even Cheaper called us one day. He thought that Summer Crab was hostile. Yeah, oh, so this is Sybil's creation. After Cheaper disappeared, people assumed that she was responsible. We had to destroy her. We went with her to the highest cliffs and we need some ice for our cocktails. Maybe that's going to be the next animatronic. We gave her a little push and that was it. The moral of the story is that you can make cocktails, even without the ice. True, some people claim to have sighted her during last spring. That's why they started calling her Spring Crab. Anyways, thank you for your help again. Lieutenant Sybil, what a great job you did. Alright. I feel like I should act very soon. Mike is going to run the whole thing for me. He will expose me. I can't let that happen. I have to get rid of him. That won't be too much of a problem though. I've done similar things before. And I will continue to take care of those who find out more than they need to know. I'm a mastermind. I can fail. I can get what I want. Oh, my name isn't... Oh, Oh, did I just have a stroke? I actually forgot my name. But anyway, I'm gonna get you, Mike. I'm always ahead of you, you little brat. I have a feeling that Sybil is not nice at all. Hey kiddo, Sybil went by. He seemed very happy about you visiting him today. He said that you already built a good connection like a new with his uncle. Let me tell ya, he's a rich uncle. If he ever tasks us with something, we should definitely put that before anything. Who knows how much money we will make if we have him as a regular customer. Change the topic. We'll make the brand new Chipomad 2.0. How does that sound? Gather all the items you need. If you can't find any, see if you can buy them at the item shop. This is the right thing to do for today. Counting on you. Another thing? Dude! Alright, first of all, let me grab my money. How do you build Chipomad 2.0? And lumber, which I don't have. And I have 20, alright. I'll be right back then. Alright, I have enough of them. And I have 200 coins, so I might just buy a pearl. And... I got a coconut. And a tree branch. Alright. Yeah, I got a pearl. Is it still available? Alright. I got a pearl, whatever that does. I have one pearl. A good rock. Also, I think I should erase you. And like, build you here. I should erase you and make you here. Alright, now I'm fitting this guy will also come for us. And I've built this out before, it gives me items sometimes. Another funny fungus, right? So we'll end it here for today. Hope you'll enjoy. That was Tyke and Sons Lumbico. And yep, see you next one. Bye bye.